Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel Craze. Today I'll show a very easy flower drawing tutorial for hand embroidery which you can apply anywhere you want. You can apply this on your kurti or on your cushion covers or on your bed covers, pillow covers. In my next video I will show how you can apply this design on your kurti. There are many more design drawing tutorials in my channel and hand embroidery tutorials in my channel. If you want you can check them. I will put the link in description box. So you can see it's very easy and it is done. So if you like this video then please give a thumbs up and leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.